Hey guys, this is another basketball cards pack opening. We're doing, of course, this one's the Mosiac Panini 2021 to 2022, I believe. 2021 to 2022 NBA trading cards, fast break. So what we're guaranteed is 10 fast break Mosiac prisms on average, might be more, and 1 fast break exclusive autograph. Let's see if we can make our money back. This is what it looks like, side on. Let's do it. It's officially being ripped out of its seal, and we're about to open it up. We got the sleeves here just in case. So we got 12 cards per pack, 12 packs. All right. These look nice. Alrighty, guys. I'm actually pretty pumped up, pretty excited. Let's see what we can get. These are what the packs look like. So let's do it. Got Jalen Green, NBA debut. Corey. Sengun. Stan Masters. Ant-Man, Anthony Edwards. Zaire Williams. Alex Caruso. Julius Randle. Mo Mamba. Devin Vassell. Montrezl Harrell. Patrick Williams. Tim Hardaway Jr. Not the best first pack, but I think the Ant-Man Stan Masters might be of some value. So we'll get back to that one. Let's keep it going. Second pack. We got Cade Cunningham, Davion Mitchell, LeBron James, Sadio Bay. CJ McCollum. Jordan Nwora. Jeremy Grant. Malcolm Brogdon. Steph Curry. Let's go. The greatest shooter of all time. Malik Beasley. Colin Sexton. And Ricky Rubio. It's a shocking pack, but LeBron James saved us, the All-NBA. Let's move it on. Third pack. This might be the Sis signature. You never know. Usman. We got Usman. Corey. And we got an NBA debut. Let's go. Cameron Thompson. National Pride. Let's take that. Number 11, Montage Trae Young. Very nice. This is a good pack. Jaylen Brown. Bruce. Zubac. Siakam. Reggie. Kevin Love. Everyone needs a bit of love from Kevin Love. Duncan Robinson. Shout out to Chubbs. No, he'll want this card. Campazzo. So very nice pack. Third pack. So we got the montage, debut, National Pride montage. All right, let's move on to the fourth pack. You feel the love tonight. Got Beal. Old NBA will take that. Kai. Primo. Got an NBA debut. Tyrese Maxey, number 5. Prism. Rising Stars Philadelphia 76 Tyrese Maxey. Number 5. Let's take that. Gary Harris. We got the Riz God himself, Jordan Poole. We got Buddy Hield. Christian Wood. Paul Zingard. Bam Bam. Alex. Andre Iguodala. Not a bad one. We got a Prism. All NBA debut. Our first Prism. We'll take it. Let's move on to our fifth pack. Excuse me. Herbert Jones, NBA debut. I'll take that. Sandro McClahu. Austin Reeves, my boy. Austin Reeves. It's Clay. 47 out of 50. We'll keep that one to the side. Derrick Rose. Shout out to Derrick Rose. OG Obi. Mellow Jello Hello Yellow. PJ. Dorian. Bradley. DeAndre Ayton. We got Jokic. I think this is our worst pack by far. Organizing them. Hopefully we can pull something. Now 6-pack. Because the box did guarantee what, 10 prism? So Jaden Springer, Herbert Jones, Kevin Durant, Ricky Rubio, signed Ricky Rubio. Just leave that one up. No, it's nothing special. Ricky Rubio. And we'll also sleeve up Kevin Durant, because that's our guy. So we got our autograph, so we are doing well. Clint Capella, Kyle Lowry, Gordos, Giannis, Shea, Precious, Lewis, and Gordon. 7th pack. Wasn't really hoping for a Ricky Rubio sign, but we'll take it. I don't think we get any more signed cards, but we shall see. Chris Durant, Joel, All-NBA, LeBron, Finals MVP. It's nice. Stairs Master, Jason Tatum. Take it. Dylan Brooks. Pat, Bev. Shout out to my boy Phil. Kevin Durant. Shante Murray. Miles Turner. Mike Conley. Bobby Portis. So we got some pretty good ones. If you ask me. Seventh pack done. Kawhi, All NBA, let's go. Cade, NBA debut. Trey Man. Will Barton. Boban. De'Anthony Melton. Cameron Johnson. Kenyon Martin Jr. Sadio Bay. DeAndre Hunter. Frank Jackson. And we got Jason Tatum. So we got 6, 8 packs. We got 4 more packs. Come on, give me a signed Luka. Give me something. Give me something, man. Davion, National Pride. James Burknight. Scotty Barnes. Sengun. Orlando. Robert Williams. De'Aaron Fox. Sabonis. RJ. Zion. Claxton. And Will Barton. About 3 more packs left. What are we getting in this pack? Nothing. All right, 9th pack. Aaron Wiggins, Charles Paisley, Kyrie, All NBA, let's go. Jordan Clarkson, would be nice. Dort, Rajon, Jaden, Russell, Boucher, Middleton, Tate, and RJ. Ooh, 2 more packs. Jeremiah, Ja, National Pride, Bones Highlands, debut, Russell Westbrook, shout out to my boy Lachlan, he might want this. Mellow, Pride, Jamal, Denver, Clarkson, Utah, Jacob, Bogdan, Marcus, Desmond, Mikel. Got some pretty nice ones. Last pack. Suggs, NBA debut. Jalen Green, National Pride. Sharp. Smoky nice. Tobias, Jimmy, Utah, Monte, Patty, Griffin, Yusuf, and that's the pack opening, guys. A Ricky Rubio signed Cavs card. I don't know how much this is all worth, but surely at least some amount of money. Yeah, catch you in the next one.